FPS Ireland.
FPS. There's Regan's shitty old.
Yeah, and this is the gun we're shooting at.
I'll show you the gun now. 1 sec.
Spring rifle, snow wolf.
Snow wolf.
Spring rifle.
String rifle, whatever the fuck it's called. Right now, put it down. He'll have a shot, I'll have a shot. He's first. So if he misses.
You know how good I am.
Yeah. Alright, don't hit that laptop, Regan. My man on it. My head will be decapitated off my body. Just go. I don't like this.
I don't like this one.
One sec. Come here. Put a pillow here, just in case it hits the fucking mic. What are you doing, hey? Whoa. Put them down.
No!
Put them down.
No!
No.
Dean, put it in, Dean.
Oh, well.
Dean, put it away. Look,
Hurry
Scotty.
up. We have to make a video. Fuck me. Regan's first to shot. 1 second.
Everything was fucking loaded.
Oh, hurry up, will ya?
That's a kill.
How many times did you shoot out? Don't even look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Wait till we're done. Move. Oh, here, fuck off. Right. Yeah.
That's a kill. You fucking hit it. You hit the bone.
And we're out. We're out. Let's see what happened.
Hello, people.
We cracked the don't know if you can see that. We cracked the button. You know the call, the dial.
Oh, we cracked the dial button.
Dial button. Alright, subscribe, like, and comment.